Welcome to Agilon's customer support website. Here you will find customer resources supporting Agilon's products and services. We have a quick link to our service requests and comments form, and a quick link to our online help desk for tracking your service requests, projects, and product issues. In the customer resources, the Agilon community gives you connection to subscribe to our listservs for fund accounting, gift processing, general one discussion, project management, and to share examples of reports, processes, and other aspects of using the product. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to a listserv by clicking here, and you can sign up to Agilon's newsletter by clicking here. Under Guides and Manuals, you'll find user guides for the modules and other aspects of Agilon's One, database cross-references, and product release documentation, including the user update notice and database structure changes. Under Frequently Asked Questions, you'll find a library of questions that you can search and browse, covering all aspects of Agilon's One. You can search by keyword or posting date and see the details on any particular question. If you don't find an answer to your particular question, you can submit a question by clicking here. You can contact us through the Contact Us screen in a number of ways: email, address, sales inquiries, our direct help desk email, and GoToMeeting for web sessions. We've also included a link to online videos for training and product announcements, and of course the direct link to our help desk, which we'll cover next. You'll also find an area called Topics of Interest on the home page, where we'll publish periodic articles on new product features, processes, and other topics of interest for the industry. To sign on to Agilon's online help desk, click the help desk link and enter your username or your email address. You can keep yourself logged in by checking here, or if you've forgotten your password, you can get a reset link emailed to your account by clicking here. When you log into the Agilon Help Desk, you'll see the My View screen, which gives you a dashboard of issues assigned to you for action, issues reported by you, issues that have been resolved and are for your review to close, a timeline of activities, and other resources for your organization. In the top navigation bar, you can report an issue, select a project, and access your account. Within your account, you can update your password, change your email address and your name, and set preferences for how the system notifies you by email and other aspects of the operation for the help desk. Back on the My View screen, you can see the status of any particular issue, which is color-coded, and hovering in that area will give you the status description. You can view the details of any issue by clicking on the issue number or the title, and you can open an issue for update by clicking on the Edit button. These icons indicate the priority of the issue and whether there's an attachment to be viewed in the issue. For many of these areas, you can view those lists of issues by clicking here, which will set the filters on the View Issues screen to show that particular list. In this case, the issues assigned to me are being filtered, and it's hiding any issues that have been resolved or closed. Some other filters you'll find useful are filtering by the issue status, the issue's resolution, the category of the issue, and by issues reported by you by setting the reporter filter. You'll also notice that there are features for sorting by product version, fixed inversion, and relationships that issues may have to other issues. To reset a filter, click the Reset Filter button and it will put it back to the defaults, which are showing all issues except those that have been closed. To change a filter setting, click on the title of the filter and select the filter option. In this case, I'll select all the issues assigned to me, and I'll select a status of resolved. Here I can see all the issues that I need to review, and if they're acceptably complete, to close. To apply a filter, click the Apply Filter button. When you report a new issue, you'll select the category that the issue pertains to, constituent connection, an implementation process, one, relay, the security application, or is this a support issue? The reproducibility, if this is a product bug, is it reproduced all the time, sometimes randomly, or if this is a service request or other type of question, the reproducibility can be set to NA. The severity, if this is a product problem, can be set to minor, major, or nuisance. And you can set your priority for us to handle this issue for you. If this is a product-related issue, we'd like you to choose the product version that you're reporting this issue for. This will help us understand specifically what it is that we need to do. You can also assign the issue to a particular member of the Agilon staff, or if you leave this blank, it'll be automatically assigned for you, which is normally what you would want to do, unless you have somebody particular that you want to have working on this for you. Enter a summary of your issue and a description. If this is a product issue, the more details you can provide us, the better to help us service you. If there are steps to reproduce the issue, we'd like you to enter them here, and you can attach a note to the description in the issue itself by entering additional information here. We'd also like you to identify the issue type. This will help us in categorizing how we service you and the type of issues that are coming in and who we should be assigning to work on them. If it's a product problem, choose Application. You can add a file to the issue by dragging and dropping a file from a folder or your desktop into this area, or you can choose a file by clicking here and it'll open a file browse for you. If you enter more than one issue at a time, checking this box when you submit the issue to save will open another new issue screen for you. When Agilon completes work on an issue for you, its status will be set to resolved. To review your resolved issues, go to the My View screen and click on the View Issues button in the Resolved area. This will set your filters to show all the issues that are waiting for your review before they're closed. To see the specifics on the issue, click on the issue number. Here you can review the details of the issue, notes that have been added, any files that have been included, and the history of the issue itself. If the issue's been handled satisfactorily, you can close it by clicking the Close button. Or, if you feel more work is needed, click the Reopen button and give us information on what you would like us to do. The Changelog area will track all of your resolved issues organized by product release. Here you can see exactly what was changed for your installation as you install the new releases. On the Roadmap screen, you can see future enhancements and updates being worked on by Agilon that will be coming in a future release. Finally, in the Documents screen, you'll find documents pertaining to your project and your installation, and under the Agilon Product Documentation project, you'll find all of the user guides and other product information accessible from the customer support website. This concludes the introduction to our customer support website. Please contact our help desk with any questions or needs that you may have. Thank you.